Hey there, friend. Welcome back to the Grow Your Daycare Podcast. I am your host, Christina Rizakos, and today I'm going to walk you through a super quick Google friendliness checkup for your daycare or center. Why? Because if parents can't find you online, then they can't enroll. Duh. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what to look for so you can show up more often in search results. So let's talk a little bit about your Google business profile. So your Google business profile is your digital front door. Go to Google and type in your daycare or your center's name. Do you see a box on the right side of the screen with your name, hours, reviews, and photos? That's your listing, okay? So make sure your name, your address, and your phone number are all correct. Add high quality photos. So classroom shots, staff, obviously with their permission, play spaces. And I can't emphasize this enough. High quality. Don't post blurry pictures or pictures that are cropped wrongly. High quality means high quality, okay? Ask 2 to 3 happy parents to leave you reviews this week. Reviews improve visibility and they improve trust as well. So that's really important. The second thing I want to talk about is local SEO basics. So I'm not going to get into, search engine optimization and talk about all those things that are pretty much going to confuse you. But here's what I want you to understand. To show up in near me searches. So let's say a mom and dad is on Google and they're looking for childcare. That is exactly what they're going to type up, daycare, center, Montessori school, near me, right? Just like when you're looking for, a bakery near you, or let's say you're visiting somewhere and you need to find a hairdresser. So you would type up hairdresser near me, right? So you have to think about that when you are optimizing your listing. So use location keywords like daycare in and the name of your city, or childcare in the name of your neighborhood on your website, especially on your homepage and your about page. This helps the search engine find your website and bring it up in the searches, okay? List your daycare in the local directories like Yelp, care.com, Nextdoor, and parenting blogs. Ask community partners like pediatricians or local schools, libraries, family-friendly restaurants to link to your site, okay? So these are called backlinks, and Google loves them. So if you don't know how to do this, you can find someone on Fiverr, a virtual assistant that can do this for you in no time, okay? But it's just important to be found organically without necessarily paying for ads, and that's a great way for you to do that. The third thing I want to mention is your website, if it's mobile friendly. Listen, gone are the days that people were sitting in front of a huge desktop. 70 to 80% of families, of people are scrolling through some type of a mobile device. So I want you to check your website on your phone right now. Is it easy to read? Are the buttons clickable? Is it aligned well? Does it make sense? Or is everything kind of screwed up and all over the place, right? Use Google's free tool called Mobile Friendly Test to check how it performs. And then you want to think about the speed as well, because if your page isn't loading quickly, then people are going to bounce. They're going to leave. They're going to leave your website, right? And we don't want that. So you want to make sure that you do the test. And if your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, many visitors will leave. So I want you to compress, kind of shrink the large images and simplify your homepage, because you got too many things going on your page and it's difficult for Google to open it up in 3 seconds or less, okay? So remember, your daycare or center needs to, number one, show up in Google results with the right information and all the links working and high definition images. Number two, use the local keywords and backlinks to boost the local visibility. And number three, be mobile friendly and quick to load. If you need help with what we just discussed today, or if you need help, for example, setting up your social media strategy plan, or you just need help in general, you're just lost when it comes to advertising and marketing, especially in the online space, I want you to check out the links in our show notes. I actually have a SKOOL community where we give you daily content that you can post on your platforms that is ready to be uploaded. Our designer prepares this and we write a content strategy every single month. So you get something to post and you get a graphic or reel to go along with it to help you with local reach. And then I also tackle Google and websites and email marketing and all the things that are so important when it comes to advertising and online marketing specifically. But here's the catch. I do it in bite-sized trainings so you're not completely overwhelmed. Like I even teach you Facebook ads in here if that's something that you want to do. So you get to try this out for free for 7 days. Links are in the show notes. And obviously, if you're a center owner and you just don't want to do this on your own and you want to outsource this, then I'd love to chat. My link is in the show notes. Click on that link, look through our packages, book a free 15-20 minute call. We'll hop on a phone call. I'll meet you, ask you a bunch of questions, and then I will offer my advice and actually share with you how we can help you with your marketing. Other than that, friends, have an amazing rest of your day. I hope that this episode blesses you and your business, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.